guys, it's Danson Doodle, and today we are at the Kane County Fair Car Show.
We think this is an awesome addition to our county fair, and we love checking out some of these amazing cars. Hope you enjoy. But that's a lot like it. Looks like it too, doesn't it?
I feel like I've seen it.
Because we've seen lots of pictures of it without the cover on it.
Daddy.
We hope you enjoyed the car show as much as we did. It's an awesome addition to our local county fair. And if you did enjoy,
Please consider liking and subscribing.
and if you'd like to see the full tour of the fair, be sure to check out this video right here.